Amidst the urban chaos, an old woman stands at the roadside, a solitary figure against a torrent of rushing vehicles. Her hesitant gaze reveals uncertainty as she lifts a worn shoe, poised to step into the relentless stream of traffic. The sounds of horns and engines amplify her vulnerability as she pauses, overwhelmed by the sheer volume of speeding cars and buses. She remains at the roadside, a silent observer of the urban rush, her uncertainty palpable in the face of the city's relentless pace. A surge of youthful energy erupts as a boisterous group of schoolboys floods the busy road, their laughter momentarily eclipsing the city's hum. Their carefree exuberance blinds them to the solitary figure of an old woman hunched over, her distress a silent counterpoint to their joyous cacophony. Amid the uncaring rush, one boy's brow furrows with concern, a flicker of empathy cutting through the noise. He peels away from the pack, his youthful conscience compelling him toward the old woman's silent struggle. His hesitant steps mark a poignant departure from youthful abandon, drawn by an invisible thread of compassion. Amidst the chaos of speeding cars, a young boy's face radiates concern as he gazes up at an elderly woman. "Mother, do you want to cross the road? I will help you. I will take you to the other side," the boy offers, his voice a comforting beacon in the storm of traffic. "Dear God, be kind to this good boy," the old woman whispers, her hand finding reassurance in his strength. Step by step, they venture into the maelstrom, the boy's eyes darting, a guardian against the rushing metal. The boy's youthful vigilance guides them through, each step measured against the relentless traffic. Safe on the other side, the boy's steadfast guidance delivers them from danger.